Hello all, welcome to part 22 of Cucumber BDD training series. In this session, I am going to answer a question that is, can we use regular expressions and Cucumber expressions in Cucumber projects together? Let me answer. So in the previous sessions, I have covered, that is in one of the previous sessions, I covered how to use regular expressions in Cucumber project. Similarly, in another previous session, I covered how to use Cucumber expressions in Cucumber projects. Okay, regular expressions in Cucumber projects I covered, Cucumber expressions in Cucumber project I covered. But now the question arises, where can we use this both regular expressions and Cucumber expressions together or not? The answer for this question is we cannot use these regular expressions and Cucumber expressions for the same step. You cannot use them together, guys. Okay, for a single step, you cannot combine a regular expression and Cucumber expression. I'll show you practically now. So I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have this register.feature file. Okay. So if I go to this step definition class of this register.feature file, you see this each and every step is now connected with the register.java, right? It's now connected with the register.java. So as you can see here, guys, for example, I'll drag this here so that you can see the steps. I'll update the project also to see whether whatever we are seeing is on the right page or not. Simply update the project once. So just to confirm whether these steps are really connected with the step definition methods, it will be clear. Once the progress is completed, it will be clear. Okay, once the building is done here on updating the project. After the updating of project is done, you see still the steps are connected to the step definition methods. You see none of the steps are highlighted in yellow color. Okay, that means the steps are now connected to the step definition methods. Now let's go with one of the step here. So let's go with one of the step, that is user enters first name Arun. Okay, so this is a step, guys. This is a step. I'll just minimize this part so that you can see most of the content. User enters first name Arun. Okay, so user enters first name. In place of Arun, we have used a Cucumber expression, right? In place of Arun, we have used a Cucumber expression. While the Cucumber expression is already used in this particular step, okay, for this particular step, already the Cucumber expression is used as part of the step definition method on the top of this in the method matching statement, the expression statement we have used. So along with this Cucumber expression, if you are also using regular expression, let's say starts with, okay, starts with is a symbol from regular expression. It doesn't belong to the Cucumber expression, okay? Whereas this curly braces string belong to the Cucumber expression. Whereas starts belongs to the, starts with belongs to the regular expression. And here I'll write ends with. So here in the same step, I'm using Cucumber expression. At same time, I'm using the regular expression, this cap symbol and the dollar symbol from regular expressions. So this particular step definition method is using both Cucumber expression and regular expressions. Now click on save all and you see immediately there is a problem. Okay, there is a problem. You see this step is highlighted. That means it's not implemented. So why? And also you are getting an error here, guys. You cannot use these regular expressions when Cucumber expressions are used in a particular step. That's the problem. Okay, you cannot use regular expressions when already the Cucumber expressions are used in a step. Okay, that's the problem. So what I will do now is I'll remove this regular expressions. I'll put only the Cucumber expression in this particular step definition method. Okay, so in this step definition method as part of expression, okay, I'm only using the Cucumber expression. I'm not using the starts with and ends with. Okay, I'm not using starts with and ends with. So cap symbol and dollar symbol are not there. Okay, so my next question is, in a single step, we cannot use a combination of regular expressions and Cucumber expression. That is already clear. You see, once I remove the regular expression and only the Cucumber expression is there, when I click on save all, you see the step is now, the background color of the step is removed. That means the step is properly implemented in the step definition method. My next question is, so here anyhow we have used Cucumber expression, so I cannot use regular expression in this step, right? What about the first step? For example, given your user navigates to register account page is a step, guys. Here no Cucumber expression is used. Okay, there is no Cucumber expression used. Can I use the regular expressions? Yes, we can use. Okay, if there are no Cucumber expressions used in a particular step, then you can use you can feel free to use the regular expressions without any problem. Just click on save all. You see there is no problem here. But you cannot use, in a single step, you cannot use a combination of regular expressions and Cucumber expressions. But Okay, but you can separately use regular expressions in a step, separately use cucumber expressions in a step. That's no problem. So the answer for this question, okay, the rules for using regular expressions and cucumber expressions are for a single step, okay, for which is implemented using a step definition method. On the top of the step definition method, you have to either use regular expressions for matching with the step of a particular scenario, or you have to use the regular expressions, okay, for matching the step of the scenario of the feature file. But you cannot use a combination of regular expressions and cucumber expressions in a single step implemented method, okay, for its matching. So guys, hope you got the idea. Okay, we can use for a separate step, we can use the regular expression. For a separate step, we can use cucumber expression, but not both for a single step. Okay, that's what is the answer. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.